this King who comes in light, clothed in honor, armed with might. The stars are but dust beneath his feet, where holiness and mercy meet. The Ancient of Days, the Lord of all, creation trembles at his call. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof, the world and all they who dwell in his love. He founded the seas and the floods by his hand, by his decree. All the universes stand. Lift up your heads, O ye gates. Be lifted up, ye everlasting doors. The King of glory is coming in. The Lord of hosts, the conqueror of sin. Who is this King of glory? The Lord. Strong and mighty in battle. The Lord. He is the King. He is the King. He is the King. He ascended the hill with clean hands and heart. He chose to be torn to set us apart. The sacrifice made, the victory won. Behold the arrival of God's holy Son. He sits on the throne with the scepter of grace.